So my question to you is, how would you empower women around yourselves?
So when it comes to women empowerment, there are two aspects to it, which I believe are very important. One is the cultural aspect. Especially when we live in a patriarchal nation like India, we have to be very careful about the kind of culture that comes along. And today it is the duty of young minds to go forward, taking that culture where they are able to stand on their own 2 feet, be independent, not have any dependencies whatsoever. Secondly, there are certain systemic changes which need to happen, which we hope will happen sooner or later as time goes on. But we can see certain positive things that are happening when it comes to women reform, when it comes to public safety, when it comes to elements of social work and corporate safety, work life, all those things. So yes, we are working towards it. There's a lot of things we still need to do, and I feel again, as it was said previously, let us not take this empowerment as a means of enjoyment or to minimize or diminish somebody else, but to stand for your own self, to be independent in a way which has actual value and has actual.
Sir, could you please share your thoughts on Women's Day?
I think it's one of the more important things that we should be talking about, especially in the society that we are living right now. Gender sensitization and feminism is something that every child and every age group of students should talk about and also understand. The simplest idea that people now think of is that feminism is somewhere where it's against men, but essentially feminism is always about equality. So the rights that you have, they should always be equal with everyone, and that is something that Women's Day is something that we should push.
How would you encourage young minds to fulfill their dreams and goals?
I would like to encourage young minds by telling them that life is all about balance. That if you balance your life along with your personal things, whatever you want to achieve, keep that goal in your mind and then strike it, work hard for it, and every time keep that goal in your mind. That's it. Along with that, you also have to balance your personal life. It should not happen that while going for our goal, we sideline our personal life. That has to be maintained along with our professional life. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy Women's Day. Ma'am, how can you evaluate the positive impact that a woman sees at the workplace?
Well, this is a good question basically. At the workplace, when we are here, we cannot make anyone friends. First thing what we have to think about is, don't make any friends. And that friends will not allow us to take the positive impact. The second thing when we are talking about, there is no such negative or a positive impact when we are in the institution. The institution, when we think that it belongs to me, then everything is positive. So every aspect of the institution will give us that positive impact and positive vibe. The day when we start thinking that there is something fishy and then I want to be away from that, or the other side, the institution thinks that it is, and then comes the negativity inside. Otherwise, what I suppose is everything can be converted into the positive impact. So that is how we learned here and we are living here, right? And that is the thing. What we have to take with us, being women. Basically, women are the stronger one. The people say that we are the weaker section, but it is not so. We are the stronger one because emotionally, psychologically, physically, we are the stronger one. So as when we are stronger, there is nothing can bring negative into us. It is we have to think about the positive. So everything is positive in the institution and the workplace.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy Women's Day.
Tthank you. And same to you also. God bless you.
सर, विश्व महिला दिवस पर आप अपने विचार व्यक्त कीजिए।
विश्व महिला दिवस पर मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा, मुझे एक्चुअली कुछ लाइनें याद आ रही है बहुत अच्छे कवि की, तो मैं वो कोट करना चाहूँगा। नारी तुम केवल श्रद्धा हो, विश्वास रजत नग पग तल में, पीयूष स्रोत सी बहा करो, जीवन के सुंदर समतल में। तो नारियों का जो स्थान है वो समाज में वैसे भी बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रहा है, और मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि जो कुछ समाज में घटित होता है आजकल, उसके ऊपर समाज को भी ध्यान देना चाहिए। और एक खास तौर से ये है कि नारियों को जहाँ पे भी आजकल हम एक्चुअली राजस्थान से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो आज भी ऐसे रिमोट एरियाज है जहाँ पे नारियों के शिक्षा को लेकर एक थोड़ा सा मिशन चलाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। आज भी ऐसी कई सारे गाँवों में नारियाँ हैं जहाँ पे कि उनको प्रॉपर एजुकेशन नहीं मिल पा रही है, तो ये इसके लिए हमको काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी होगा। थैंक यू।